Magandang umaga po Pilipinas! You're still watching Agri TV di ba pa? My name is Mike Hernandez and as promised po, ito po yung papakita namin sa inyo, progression of koi hobbies, of their koi para sa upcoming koi collaboration show na gagawin natin on March 8, 9, and 10 sa Cebu, Pulumunok, dito po sa Manila. Last week, ang guest po natin is none other than Doc Asus Silva. This time, kaibigan natin, long-time koi keeper, magaling na veterinaryo, one of the best in the land, Doc Oy Sebastian.
Hi.
Doc, welcome to Agri TV's Motherboat Koi.
Nice to be back here at your Agri TV show, Koi Senpan.
Doc Oy is one of the contestants, one of the hopefuls ng growth collab na to. Doc, yung koi ninyo, anong itsura na ngayon?
Medyo masigla siya at yung first day niya medyo nandun sa ilalim parate. Pero lately after mga ilang hours, nakikisalo na siya rong kumain doon sa mga malalaki.
So Doc, bigyan muna natin sila ng brief background. Ikaw ba, ilang koi shows na yung sinalihan mo?
I have about total trophy of about 7 trophy with 2 grand champion ng Sakura champion na tayo.
Napakagandang istorya po. Yung isa sa mga grand champions doon, dati may sakit.
Yes.
Nasaksakan niya ng injection dahil sa galing na veterinaryo, napagaling, hindi lang gumaling, gumanda yung isda at nag-grand champion.
Nag-grand champion.
So what is your hope today dito sa Grow Out Collab na to?
Medyo mahigpit yung labanan. Nakita ko halos lahat magaganda yung grow out na koi na dumating. Ano? Pero siguro hopefully pagka napaganda ko yung koi na tinatawag natin si butterfly si paru-paro G.
Paru-paro kasi parang butterfly yung ulo nito.
Yung nasa forehead niya parang may dumapong paru-paro na Benny.
Etong showa na to, Doc, anong nagustuhan mo dito sa entry mo na to na bukod sa butterfly sa ulo?
Well distributed yung pattern niya from tail to head, no? Tapos yung Benny niya medyo lumalabas na, tsaka yung black color niya. Hopefully yung kulang na lang siguro yung conformation of the body. Mapalaki ko ng maganda in 2 months.
Your koi, ipapasok mo dito sa Manila, meaning to say, huhusgahan to on March 10.
Yes.
Okay, and that will be competing against the Grand Champion. Kung maging Grand Champion man, no? Fingers crossed. Good luck to you, Doc. I hope to see you in the winner's circle. Yung Grand Champion ng Cebu, Grand Champion ng Manila, and hopefully, maybe, no? Maraming nag-aasinta na maging Grand Champion dito sa Manila. Maybe it's you, maybe another hobbies here in Metro Manila. So come March 10, dito natin malalaman yung culmination. Sino yung magiging Grand Champion.
Me naman kasi, I just enjoy na about koi keeping, ano. Wala naman akong sa mga previous na sinalinan ko, wala naman akong hangad na manalo. I just enjoy the koi keeping will be yung outcome ng koi mula sa maliit hanggang lumaki. Then sumali ka, basta mag-enjoy ka lang.
So what a beautiful attitude, no? Ito rin yung sinasabi natin, Doc, na hindi man manalo yung isda mo, probably it might win in the next event.
Yes.
No? And then ang kalaban mo dito in every koi show, in every competition, or the fish that you're collecting at home, ang kalaban mo lagi dito, yung sarili mo. How you did yesterday, how you did the other day, how you did last month.
Yes.
What a beautiful attitude. So, word of advice, Doc, sa ating mga kaibigan.
To all koi hobbies, you are welcome to join the contest this coming March 8, 9, and 10 para magkita-kita po tayo rito sa koi show na ito. Let's enjoy koi keeping.
So thank you again, Doc, for joining us today.
Welcome.
Dito po sa Agri TV's Motherboat Koi. My name is Mike Hernandez with
Doc Oy Sebastian.
Kita-kits March 8, 9, and 10. Good luck sa iyo, Doc.
Thank you.
May the best koi win. Bye-bye.